Girl, close your eyes, let the rhythm get into you. Don't try to fight it, there ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind, lay back and groove with mine. You got to feel that in, no we can ride a boogie, share that beat of love. I'm gonna rock with you, dance you into. I'm gonna ride with you, oh, dance the night away. Out on the floor, there ain't nobody there but I. This girl, when you dance, there's magic that must be love. Just take it slow. We got so far to go when you feel that in, and we're gonna ride a boogie, share that beat of love. I'm gonna ride with you, oh, dance you into. I'm gonna ride with you. I'm gonna ride the night away. And when the groove is dead and gone, you know that love survives. I'm gonna ride forever. I'm gonna ride with you. I'm gonna rock with you. I'm gonna groove right. Oh, no, no, no. Girl, oh, I'm gonna rock with you. Rock with you. Oh, night away. Gonna rock with you. I'm gonna rock you into sunlight. I'm gonna ride with you, ride the night away. When you feel that in, when you feel that beat, I'm gonna ride with you. Yeah, I'm gonna rock with you, rock the night away. are never gonna change. Living on love field to nothing remains. All the children say we don't need another hero. We don't need to know the way home. All we want is life beyond the Thunderdome. So what else we gonna do with our lives? We live only alone. But our story shine like a light on the end of the dark. Give it all or nothing. We don't need another hero. Woo! We don't need to know the way home. All we want is love beyond the Thunderdome. We don't need another hero. We don't need to know the way home. We don't need another hero. We don't need to know the way home. All we want is love beyond the Thunderdome.
@toemusic.es, va en sèrio, Instagram.
Instagram
Sí?
i TikTok també.
La seguiu a la Zoe?
Sí.
Us ha agradat?